cookies? It's me, Cookie, and today we're back here in Roblox Adopt Me. I feel a bit, kind today. As you can see on my head, it says, today I'm giving away a free business monkey. As you guys know, business monkeys are not in the game anymore. So, I have one, as you can see here. And I feel like I want to give it away. I feel bad for people who missed the update or didn't get a chance to get it. So I'm going to see if someone has, like, the title you put on your head, like, my dream pet is this, or if you have free pets like a business monkey, please give it to me. Something like that. I'll see if someone has it, and I keep falling down the stairs. So now we will go to the gift display. My connection might be slow because I changed rooms here. So, yeah. Okay, these guys look rich. She has a dragon. Okay, a bunny, that's cute. Oh, twin. These are twins! Except their hair is different, so that's good. This game not so good. How dare you say that, Sasuke? I'm coming for you. Not scammer. I'm not doing that. Okay, let's go to the park. Maybe people are there. Let's see. Is anyone here? Okay, okay, I just got disconnected, but it's okay. I'm back here, where I think I stopped. Okay, this girl has a monkey. Anyone else here? What did she say? WY mid, poor, kind. Oh, he's kind. Dream pet. Oh my gosh, guys. Business monkey. Oh my gosh. And she named her a normal monkey a business monkey. I'm gonna say hi. She's like, oh, hi. So, business monkey is your dream pet? I'm curious, because you said on your head. I'm not on her head, on her, like, status thingy. Looks really pretty, though. Yes, so cute. It's so cute. I know, right? Like, they're really cute. So, I have a gift for you. I think she's so happy. I don't think she knows yet, though. What gift? I'm gonna say, but you have, no, put that in caps. Have to accept the trade. Hopefully she doesn't not think that I am a scammer. Just to, like, bring that out. Oh, sure, okay. Let's trade her. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, she accepted. Okay. I put it in. She's like, OMG. Oh my gosh. And now she has to accept because she already promised me she's gonna accept. That's my dream pet. Yes. She's like, oh my shit, I don't think she can believe it. Yes. Oh, she got it out. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, no problem. I'm filming YT vid. Maybe she wants to say hi. Wanna say hi? Am I dream and I dreaming? You're not dreaming. Look, she said hi, guys. Yay. I'm so happy. Can you believe it? Like, I'm so happy that I actually found. Oh, she told me, can we be friends? Of course, you chicken nugget. Of course. Oh my god. Oh, look at her heart earring. That's so cute. Really? Yes. Yay. I'm so glad. She's so happy. Whew. She still can't believe it though. You're still freaking out. Oh my god, this is so funny to watch and so happy. Can I take a screenshot with you? Sure. Let's go here. I don't want somewhere people will like usually come. I'm gonna ask her, where is your fave spot in Adopt Me? We'll go there. Oh, anywhere. Okay, follow. Maybe we'll go in a car. Oh, then I smashed her. Oops. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oops. Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe I invite her to my family. Oh my, okay. Lady, calm down. Sorry, I don't know who you are. I'll pick up her head. She's like, yay! Okay. My pink car. Let's go here. Maybe at the pool party. Okay. Oh, was she dancing? Maybe. Yeah, I think right here is really good. It's pretty good here. I'm gonna ask her if she's okay with it because it's her screenshot. Here? Oh, okay. Yeah. Cheese. Oh, she just say cheese. Okay. Yay. Have a nice day. Hopefully she's happy with it. Okay, I will do my outro. Maybe we can learn more about each other. Then maybe we can talk. I'm still shocked. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, hopefully she's really happy. Okay guys, make sure, I think I'm gonna really end the video off here. And I just thought of an idea for a giveaway. If you want me to give away any pet in my inventory, or maybe I'll make a neon or something and I'll give it to you guys for a giveaway. Make sure to comment down below what pet do you want in my standards. Maybe a neon frog or maybe, I don't know, you guys choose. A neon robin, otter, maybe a buffalo as well. Okay, my video cut off again. Or maybe a neon dingo. Comment down below which one do you want. Which one I can make. The monkey, I'm trying to make a mega neon, so I don't think I can give one. But just comment down below. Or maybe you want me to make some Bloxburg videos. Make sure to comment down below as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video off here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Bye cookies!